Hello traders, I'm Ignat Bersenko, and in this video I'm going to share with you my Elliott wave chart. So let's start with Euro-Dollar, where we've got this bearish impulse in wave 1, and its wave 5 is likely going to take a form of a diagonal triangle here. However, this local correction is a quite big, so I'm out of the market. And the same story on dollar index, where we've got this bullish impulse with a possible diagonal triangle in wave 5. There is a triangle on Australian dollar, which is likely going to be continued, so we could have another test of this moving average line very soon. And as you can see on the 1 hour chart, there is a diagonal triangle in wave C and a possible bullish impulse in wave C here. British pound is still bearish because we've got a triangle here in wave 4, and if we see a pullback from this moving average line, there will be an opportunity to have another low, so I'm keeping my short trades. I'm still out of the market on Japanese yen because this wave structure is quite difficult. I mean, we could have a triangle in wave 4, but at the same time there are a lot of many other wave counts, so I'm just waiting for a little bit clear wave structure. And it seems like there is a double zigzag in wave 4 on Australian dollar versus New Zealand dollar, and also we've got a pullback from this moving average line, so it's likely to have wave 5 here very soon, and it's why I've got my long trade here with a stop loss a little bit below this moving average line. Another bearish market is pound versus Australian dollar, where we've got a possible extension in the third wave here, so I'm just keeping my short trades. Turkish lira is still moving up, and it's likely that this wave 5 is going to end soon, so I'm trading here very carefully. There is a very interesting triangle on African dollar, so I've got one long trade here with a stop loss a little bit below this moving average line. Also, I'm keeping my short trade on euro versus yen, because we've got a triangle here and a possible bearish impulse here. So if we see a bearish impulse here in wave 3, I'm going to sell more. It seems like this price movement on gold could be wave 4, so wave 5 is likely going to start soon, and I'm just waiting for a confirmation, which could be a small bearish impulse inside this possible wave 5. I'm still out of the market on soybeans because I'm waiting for a small bearish impulse, something we've got here, something like that, and if this impulse arrives, I'm going to sell. Oil is likely going to form a diagonal triangle in wave 5, so when I saw a pullback from this moving average line, I opened my long trade and I'm going to buy more if we see here a bullish price movement. This correction on Dow is likely going to end soon, but it's still unclear what we're going to have here. I mean, wave 4 could be a double 3 like WXY. However, it's still possible to have a triangle here, like for example this, so I'm out of the market until we see a more clear picture of this wave 4. And the last market for today's video is Apple shares, where we've got a quite interesting moment because there is a small zigzag here and a bullish impulse here, so there is an opportunity to have another upward impulse, so I've got one long trade here with a stop loss at the local low. So that's all for today's video. Have a good day and profitable trades. Take care. Bye bye.